Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers leading indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers leading indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 333 indicators, and out of those 333 indicators, 136 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 136 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is Ehlers leading indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. It's not a whole lot to this one, so just like a lot of Ehlers indicators, there is a line that goes from red to green. There's actually like a signal line, a black signal line, and so when the larger of the two lines crosses up, the line goes green, and it turns the candles green as well. When the larger line crosses down below the signal line, the line goes red and the candles also turn red. And so pretty simple setup like we've done before. When the candles go green, we'll go long. When the candles go red, we'll go short. And that's how we will be testing it today. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing here. So we pick up a short right here on that one. Double check here just to see. Make sure that spike there didn't wipe us out. It did not. And a winning trade on that one. Continue forth with it here. So we pick up another signal right here. It's going to be a long signal. And doesn't look like it got us to take profit. Just double check. Nope, it did not. Almost immediately reverses on us and comes down and gives us a short signal right there. Let's see. Not sure if, let's see. Yep, so that is candle there, and that one does get us to take profit there. Then over here on this side, we pick up a long there. And that one's going to get us stopped out as well. Continue on here a little bit. Get a couple of these going. So we pick up a short right there. You can see that one's not going to work out too well. Then a long over here. There we go. And that one is going to get us to take profit. Short right there. And pretty sure, yeah, we're not going to take profit out of that one. Sure I didn't mess these up. So long there. Take profit short here. That one's not going to work out. Then a long here. Also not going to work out very well. And we pick up a short right here on this one. That one does go down rather nicely, getting us to take profits. Continue on here. Pick up a long over here on this side. And let's see, what was that? That's a short or a red candle, I guess I should say. And it looks like it barely gets us to take profit on this long side, just by a couple pips. Then we pick up a short over there. That one looks like it does rather well. Continue on with this here. So we pick up a long right here. Just double check. Yeah, that one's going to get us stopped out. And a short there. Looks like we stayed within our stop. Yes, we did. And drops out pretty nice there. Definitely getting us to take profit on that one. Play this out some here. And we pick up a long over here on this side. That one's going to get us to take profit. Short there. Don't think that one's going to work out for us. Well, let's see. May have barely squeezed it out for us. Nope. That one's going to get us stopped out. Then a long over here. That one gets us to take profit. Climbs up there quite significantly. And let's see. Short right there. That one's going to get us stopped out. Long right there. That one does pretty good, getting us to take profit. Then a short over here on this side right there. And that will do us out for the end of the year. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Once you sign up for that, you will have access to the Patreon only channel on our Discord server. On our Patreon only channel, we are posting some really good advanced information, advanced topics and discussions. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you use the MT platform quite a bit, that could be very useful for you to have. Our admins and some of the regular members are posting regular trade analysis as well, almost on a daily basis. They're posting charts with markups of support and resistance, areas where they are entering, exiting, taking profits, everything that they're doing to grow small accounts very quickly. And so if you're interested in training your eye to see those ideal market conditions, that'd be a very good thing for you to have access to. Recently, I've been speaking with another member about testing the winning indicators across a more thorough test of at least 100 tests and then multiple pairs. And that's something I am going to eventually start doing videos on, but the patrons will get some sneak peek kind of a look into that far before I start doing the videos. Very valuable stuff to have, and so I highly recommend it. All right, back to today's indicator. Let's get us zoomed in, all in place here. All right, So let's count these out and see what we get out of this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have 19 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. So unfortunately, it's going to barely miss the 60% criteria, and I mean just barely. All in all, it didn't seem like a bad indicator. It seemed like it threw out quite a few more signals than it really needed to, which got itself caught up more than once in a bad place. And so for now, this one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.